We are here in the heart of the West Village on Jane Street, about to take a look at an immaculate one-bedroom at 61 Jane.
The first thing you notice when you walk into this apartment is that it has been meticulously renovated. As you walk towards the windows, you'll notice that you're seeing views of Hudson Yards, the Empire State Building, Hudson River, landmark views of the West Village. The layout of this apartment is fantastic. The kitchen flows right into your dining and living space. You've got a generously sized master bedroom, again, with the same beautiful views facing north and ample closet space. The rooftop has unobstructed 360-degree views of the entire city. It's fully landscaped and just such a great place to hang out. This really is one of the best locations in New York City, and it's no wonder that 61 Jane is such a sought-after building.